entry number 7 in Project Resurrection.
The last few days, we've been experiencing some oddities. This viscous fluid emanating from the walls appears to be blood.
Doc, I've been hearing things. At night, patients have been disappearing. This place is cursed, and if we don't leave, so are we.
Pack your bags. HI wants us to go to Haiti for a segment.
This place is different.
This village doesn't embrace Western beliefs.
Black magic sorcerer has claimed domain over this place.
You'll find this village has many secrets.